In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WhatsApp on your Android phone. By the end, you will know exactly how to update WhatsApp through the Google Play Store and how to set the app to handle updates automatically, with notifications so you never miss an important release. First, let's use the Google Play Store, which is where Android apps get their official updates. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. At the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. From there, choose Manage Apps and Device. On this screen, look for Updates Available and then tap See Details. You'll now see a list of apps with updates waiting. Scroll through the list until you find WhatsApp. When you see it, tap Update and the download will begin. Keep the Play Store open for a moment so the progress can complete smoothly. A stable internet connection helps here. And if you are on limited data, you might prefer to be connected to Wi-Fi. If you don't see WhatsApp in the list at all, that simply means your app is already up to date. In that case, you are good to go and don't need to do anything else in the Play Store. Next, let's turn on WhatsApp's in-app update settings, so the app can stay current without you having to remember to check. Open WhatsApp on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. Then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the App Updates section. Here, turn on Auto Update WhatsApp. With this enabled, WhatsApp will work with the Play Store to keep itself updated whenever a new version is available. Following your device's general update rules. Right below that, also turn on the option for notifications when an update is available. This way, even if you prefer to install updates yourself, you will get a timely alert so you can update as soon as a new feature or security fix is released. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.